Today, we're diving deep into the world of success and prosperity. Ever wondered what sets the world's billionaires apart from the rest of us? Well, buckle up because we're about to explore the top 6 characteristics that make these individuals stand out in the business world. From vision and focus to varied modes of thinking and expecting future success, we'll break down these traits in a way that's easy to understand. So grab a pen and paper because you're about to learn some valuable insights that could help you pave your own path to success. Let's get started. Number 1, importance of vision. Vision is key to success today. It goes beyond just seeing things, including the ability to imagine positive outcomes and success. Not being able to see both the present and the future might stop you from achieving important things, as our dreams guide us through tough times towards making them happen. Take Bill Gates, a leader in the computer revolution in the 1970s and 1980s. Even when the media didn't pay much attention to the growing PC industry, Gates stayed focused on his interest in computers and what they could do. He kept going with his vision, seeing a future where a computer on every desk and in every home running Microsoft software was a reality, even when few people understood the importance of computers. Through hard work, Gates made his vision come true and became very successful. No matter where you are, having a clear vision is crucial for reaching your goals. Remember, if you don't chase your dreams, others might use your skills to achieve theirs. Number 2, focus on a vision. Maintaining concentration is crucial for achieving any vision. Without it, even the most exciting dreams remain unfulfilled. Success demands strong dedication and persistence, which show up as concentration. History is full of examples of the world's richest people who have mastered this important skill, continuously pursuing their goals despite obstacles. Concentration involves more than just focusing on your goals. It requires the ability to get rid of distractions that hinder progress. A lack of concentration prolongs the journey to success, except maybe in the rare case of winning the lottery. Additionally, it acts as a vital anchor amid the inevitable challenges encountered along the road to accomplishment. Take the example of FedEx, founded in 1971 during the economic turmoil of the 1970s recession. Despite the prevailing economic downturn marked by stagnation and unemployment, the company's founder remained determined in pursuit of the company's mission. Through focused determination and innovative solutions, such as persuasive advertising, he navigated the challenges, ultimately making substantial profits by the 1980s. The lesson is clear. Having a dream is not sufficient. One must have the unwavering concentration necessary to overcome adversity and seize success. This trait is a characteristic of accomplished individuals, regardless of their wealth or background. Number 3, varied modes of thinking. Every person born with a brain has the natural ability to think. However, it's clear that many people tend to stick to typical ways of thinking. This is often called thinking inside the box, or going along with common ideas. In contrast, the richest people in the world think differently than the norm. For example, consider the wealthiest individuals in developing countries. Aliko Dangote, the richest man in Africa, owns the biggest company in West Africa. Similarly, Folorunsho Alakija, the richest woman in Africa, is one of the top 100 most influential women globally. While such achievements might seem normal in places where wealth is more common, they highlight the importance of thinking differently. Succeeding in business and gaining recognition in developing nations requires creative thinking to overcome significant economic challenges. To achieve greatness and success, one must expand their mind beyond the usual limits. This means going beyond societal expectations, norms, and personal barriers that hold back one's full potential. It's essential to break free from conformity and embrace new ideas. Number 4, expecting future success. Getting rich needs more than just wanting it badly. It requires looking ahead and making clear decisions. Thinking ahead is a systematic way of using future-focused ideas to predict and get ready for change. It means looking at different possible situations and understanding the opportunities and challenges they might bring. This understanding helps us to make smart choices and act promptly. In our fast-changing world, Grabbing opportunities often means taking careful chances. Mexican businessman Carlos Slim Helu, known as Latin America's richest person, shows this idea well. He smartly put money into undervalued things, seeing their hidden potential. Particularly his purchase of Telmex through Grupo Carso in the 1980s laid the groundwork for his huge wealth. So success doesn't just depend on thinking ahead, but also on having the courage to act decisively. Trying to avoid risk is pointless. Actually, making money usually means taking risks. While the level of risk might be different, every successful effort involves some amount of uncertainty. Being willing to take calculated risks is crucial on the journey to financial success. Number 5, establishing a dependable team. According to Fortune.com, around 1,700 new rich people emerge daily in America, adding up to over 500,000 annually. This means that in 2 years, more than 1 million individuals will become rich. However, let's look deeper. While we often talk about self-made rich people, is that really true? Do people truly become wealthy, surpassing $1 million, without any help, whether paid or free? Honestly, such a claim seems unlikely. There isn't a rich person who hasn't received support from their surroundings. Arnold Schwarzenegger often emphasizes this, crediting his success to help from teachers, coaches, mentors, neighbors, and family members at every stage of his life. The form of support may vary, but it's always there. Rich people worldwide build teams of experts whom they trust completely and rely on to protect their interests and push their ventures to greater success. These teams handle various responsibilities to ensure excellent service and product delivery. This not only reduces the workload on business owners, but also gives them the chance to help others succeed, thus advancing the industry and providing livelihoods for these individuals. Number 6, embracing a growth mindset. Many think education is only about formal schools, but that's not quite right. While school is part of learning, you don't need it to succeed. Some people do well without it. I'm not saying you should drop out of school, but having a fancy degree doesn't guarantee riches. A growth mindset is key here. People with this mindset believe they can get better at anything with effort. Smarts and talent are just a start. This way of thinking makes you love learning and helps you bounce back from setbacks. Sure, you could get rich from what you learn in school, but for most people, graduation means working for a paycheck. Not everyone can become a millionaire just by working, unless you make a lot of money. Rich folks know that even small lessons can make a big difference in their money, so they're always eager to learn. Despite what you might think, successful people are always learning, and all millionaires are good at not spending too much. If you spend more than you earn, you'll never get rich. So rich folks try to cut costs and invest their money wisely. Being flexible is also important for getting rich. Rich people are always changing their plans to fit the situation. Learning to adapt and make smart decisions is crucial for your own success. Today's powerful people have these qualities. Without them, they wouldn't be where they are. If you want to be rich, successful, and powerful, these are the lessons you need to learn and live by. It saves you from making your own mistakes. Thanks for tuning in to today's video all about the secrets behind the success of the world's billionaires. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did diving into the minds of these incredibly accomplished individuals. Now, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. And if you want to stay updated with more content like this, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Remember, whether you're aiming to build your own empire or simply looking for inspiration to achieve your goals, incorporating these 6 characteristics into your life could be the key to unlocking your full potential. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.